Imagine yourself in this 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are child safety locks, engine immobilizer, variable speed intermittent wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, cargo shade, passenger airbag sensor, power outlet, and traction control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.